Hey guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome if you're new. So in today's video, I'll be showing you guys how to do if I was according to TikTok trend. So let's get started. So for this trend, you're going to need a lot of photos and you're going to need CapCut. And once you have those available, you'd simply need to go ahead and launch CapCut and click on new projects to add all the photos that you have. So once you've added the photos, you need to change the format to 9:16. So you just want to go through to ensure that the format for all the photos has been changed, after which you would need to set or adjust the photos to full screen. And I would highly suggest using portrait format photos instead of landscape, as this would be easier to adjust to full screen. Now once that is completed, at this point you'd be required to add the audio, and if you don't have the audio on your device, you could simply get a TikTok video with the audio and extract it from the video. And once you have the audio, it is time to adjust the photos based on the audio. So you need to set the first photo for 3 seconds to match the audio, and you would need to set the remainder of photos in that specific theme to 0.1 seconds. So for the last image, which is the revealing image, so for example, the first thing that you're going to be talking about is color. So for the image that reveals the specific color that you are according to the person, that would need to be set for 4 seconds, and you would need to repeat this step for all the themes in your trend. So if you're going to be doing 6 themes such as color, animal, food, fruits, weather, etc., you would need to repeat the steps for all the themes. Now at this point, once you've adjusted the images and you have the audio, you would need to go ahead and add the text. So on the first image, you would need to add the text if I was according to boyfriend or girlfriend, husband or wife, or your friend. And you would need to add text to the themes that you're using, and you would need to adjust it to fit to your preference. And that's pretty much the entire trend. So that's pretty much the video. So if you guys found this video useful, or if you enjoyed this video, please like, share, comment and subscribe. Also, please turn on your post notifications so you'll be notified whenever I upload videos. Thank you guys so much for watching.